Country of origin is United States. The package dimension of the product is 5lx3wx11h. The package weight of the product is 3 pounds. The patented micro-moisture serum nourishes dry, rough hair to restore softness and help lock in essential moisture. The advanced damage care and repair system will leave your hair looking healthy, soft and smooth without weighing it down. Daily Moisture Therapy Shampoo with moisturizing serum replenishes the moisture lost in daily wear and tear and helps protect hair from further moisture loss. It also reduces static and flyaways. With Salon Pump reduces static and flyaways, hair looks healthy and smooth. Weightless Moisture 2 bottles 40 ounce. Each bottle. Top reviews from the United States. Great shampoo and great price, 9. Have used this shampoo for years and plan to continue using it. Great on my old lady's hair and easy on my bank account.